corner and then down the hill. The corner and down the hill. Roll down there. We need a parker up here.
Jack, how you doing?
Very good on a nice sunny day with a great turnout at the New England Racing Museum.
Now, Jack, you have a very interesting story to share with us, and I would like you to tell a little bit of the story about this vintage drag strip that you and a few other gentlemen had started back in the 1960s, I believe. Go ahead.
Sure. Well, the group of us clubs from this was called New England Hot Rod Council. We first started racing at where Pease Air Base is in New Hampshire, and we ran some races there in 1953. And then when the air base started to get big, we moved to Sanford, Maine, and ran there 7 years. And then that was an active airport. It had to move on, so we bought land in Brentwood and Epping, New Hampshire. So we opened up in the same year as the Twin Towers got blown to hell. So that now we always just say we opened in September, because I don't want to say 9/11 anymore. So that it's been a great ride, and I'll keep riding till I can't do it anymore.
Hi, I'm Ted Cook. This is my Super Comp car. It's a 1992 Mark Road Dragster.
Ted.
Okay.
Talked off camera up here. Talked off camera about the classes here, so I'm not privy to all the classes here. So explain the class this runs in.
Super Comp is an 890 index class. So we want to run as close to 890 without going faster. If we go faster than 890, you'll lose. You want to be as quick on the tree as possible, so you want to have 00 lights every time you can. The car will run low 8s at around 165 to 170 miles an hour. On the stop, it runs close to 890 at about 158.
Horsepower farm do you? I got the the camera. I am practicing. Yes, I will. Yep.
Trees are bare, they're night after a lonely night we meet.
I'm going back to buy more later on. Some tickets for sale right up near the speakers. How you doing?
I feel like if I tried the one thing, I could be like Erickson's test right now.
I can tell you, judges are going to have a tough time today.
What was going on? Yeah, they were going to stop.
Easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did the same thing as your buddy there. I thought.
How do you like that? I work from what? 6,000 truck. So that's kind of dried up there.
You like the museum?
You're good. All right. I like getting people in the shots.
Hello.
Here's a cool story. Go ahead. How you doing?
Good, good. My name's Joe Gurman. I'm the owner of the Ventus Raven, which was the 1959 most beautiful custom car in America, trophy awarded by the NHRA out in Detroit.
Come on the side of me here.
Yeah.
Let's talk about the car here.
Yeah.
So 1959, a lot going on. The styling.
Yeah.
We can see.
Ventus built this car. He spent 9 years building it in a chicken coop. Came out, won the national championship on the first outing of the car in 1959. I rode in the car in 1959 actually, and then he put it away in 61, where it sat till 2007. I took it out, restored it. We debuted it at its 50th anniversary out in Detroit. It took a first place Radical Custom Convertible class that day. Went to the Peterson Museum and was then invited to go to the Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance, and it's been in several other museums along the way.
Cars we see it. This is it.
Yes, it is.
How many were made?
Just this one.
One.
Just this one. Yep.
I remember this car when I was a kid in Chelmsford.
Oh yeah, yeah.
My name Arthur Ventus. I don't
That's right. Buy this car. This was his father's. This started as the father's '39 Dodge on the farm. Chuck rolled it over on the farm.
Okay, you know
Arthur
the whole
took the
story.
body off of it and built
So
the
you're
custom.
a local also, I would imagine, right?
What?
You're a local up here in New Hampshire?
No, I'm from the Chelmsford area, and Arthur Ventus, we raced go-karts when we were young, and Arthur Ventus built go-karts with his brother named Chuck.
Right.
And I drove
Cavalla
go-karts.
carts. Yep.
Cavalla, you know everything.
Oh, yeah.
This guy knows everything.
Well, the story goes that he was looking at commentary in Hot Rod magazine. They said a car looks like it was built like a farmer. And he sort of wanted to prove them wrong. That a farmer could really build a beautiful car.
Oh yeah, I love it. They call me Hot Rod Bob. This is my 32 Ford 5-window coupe, Deuces Wild. I built it 19 years ago. It has been driven coast to coast, hit all the shows. The signatures you see on the firewall, Bo Huff actually was the first one to sign it when we were out in Columbus, Ohio, followed by Sam Foose, Chip Foose's father, Gene Winfield, John DiAgostino out of California on Celebrity Customs, Cokie Coca from Coca Tires on here, Candy Clark from American Graffiti, Ron Finch was in the competition on the TV show Biker Build-Off. I met him up at Bike Week when I first built the car. Faith Granger produced the movie Deuce of Spades about a 32 Ford Roadster. Ron Capps from the Napa car. Steve Gibbs, the past president of National Hot Rod Association.
So the car has a real nice, come on back here, the car has a real nice theme to it.
Yes, when I built the car, I built it to drive it for one thing, but I wanted to represent late 50s, early 60s of the hot rods that were drag raced. Where it started here in New England was Sanford, Maine, and then progressed to New England Dragway in 1966.
How did you come up with the name Deuces Wild? Are you a gambling man?
No, I named it at the beginning of 2007. It was known as the Deuce Coupe, and I was forming my company, Deuces Wild. I produced my own car care chemicals, waxes, and everything that were made in Maine. and I used to vend at a lot of the shows.
What kind of pipes are these in the back? Bugles, what are they?
So the pinstriping on this car was done by Nubs Graphics. He was the artist that did all the striping for Orange County Cycles TV show. I used to go to Syracuse Nationals every year, and I'd be up in the building for the pinstripers competition, raising money for abused children.
Hey Bob, we have you start up for a minute?
Yeah.
All right.
Right now, and
Right here.
I like the place where you have the parking lot.
Once again,
all four tires.
Take a look at this beautiful 1967 Plymouth GTX. Got a couple of nice trophies there. 1993. Ring the Dragway, 1984. And the last one looks like it's second place Mopar. Hey, the Fonda's in town. 1977 Chevy Nova. Thought that was your picture up there. All right, so the color, if anybody wants to know, it's light, fast, maroon, right? Yes. Chevy. The Chevy color. Ford color. Sorry about that. Ford color. So many cars. I'm sure someone doesn't make a comment, but beautiful. So it's fast maroon. Haven't seen a lot of this color. Haven't seen, no? Thank you. Yeah.
Big long hill.
1931 Ford Roadster, another beautiful traditionally built car. '66 Corvette big block here. It's a 2021 Corvette. What a difference. did you notice?
No, the guy said they're probably hot. You're touring the purpose and mine.
Very creative. Yeah.
That's pretty sick. I wonder if he's gonna
Every time I take a chance on make them like old panel trucks. You don't see a lot of them, but they're nice.
on the floor and a little bit of a front. It's different. Because she shouldn't run, you didn't know why. And I said, what do you think?
Love it. Painted by Mom. I think Mom did a great job there. Mom did pretty good. A couple of runs. Paint it with love. We're on this back lot, the Sandy lot, and we're going to kind of finish up our day today. There's quite a bit here to see. He had a great turnout for this show. Always like taking a few minutes to thank everybody that helped put this show together. I know all these shows are always a great undertaking and advertisement to get the word out. Thank you for walking around with us today at the show, following Rider TV. Subscribe to us if you haven't already. Nice 69 here, Camaro. This looks like the final row in this dirt lot. That's where we're located at the show. Give you a little walk through with these cars. Beautiful 55 here, Pontiac. Star Chief. Love to play cash. This looks like an original, unrestored rod. Very traditional. Got a set of 50s back there. Like that sunroof there, it works. Set of 697s on the front engine. You know, these car shows, it's always interesting to hear the conversations that go on behind the scenes. Can't always control what you're going to hear here, but it's always funny and definitely relatable. I don't know, I might be corrected here. Is this a Buick nailhead? I could be wrong. I think I'm right. Let me know in the comments. Another flatty right here, beautiful.
Well, I still got my MC too. I had the 73 Jam. I have a 73 Jam. So I still have that. I've owned that 50 years this year.
Oh my God.
I mean, this car could actually race up at Pine Tree. I wonder if he knows about Pine Tree. Winterport, Maine. It's coming up, I believe, next month. September. Here we are. Contact these guys. The Tapettes Car Club. Okay, we're getting ready to take off now, everybody, so thank you very much for following us, taking a walk with us today. Go ahead, whenever you're ready, man. You're my goodbye shot. See you later. Check out Rider TV. Check out Rider TV. Thank you. There's always that one more you have to get at the end. You always see and it's like, I wish I got this car. Just didn't want to miss this beautiful Plymouth. Belvedere. As we're going back to our truck, we're seeing a few cars that must have rolled in after we passed the front gate. Just don't want to miss this beautiful 32 Ford here.
I got one.
Our last car for sure is going to be this beautiful 57 Cadillac.
I'm saying transfer between them, but that doesn't wrong.
Just love the interior. Cadillac did a great job back in '57. They're still doing a great job today.
I didn't know that the new Marshall was put on the dialogue 12, so that they're going to take all. That's what this whole